What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2024 Volkswagen Taos. Like I said, it's a 24 VW Taos in this video, but it'll be the same on a few different years. So we're going to do this using these buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel here. I'm starting from just our regular home screen on the dash. The first thing I'm going to do is press this button right here. Press this button. That's going to take us to this screen. Then what I'm going to do is arrow down and keep arrowing down until we get to distance and time. Once distance and time is up, then I'll press this button here. That takes us to this screen. Once this screen is up, I'm going to press this button again, but this time I'm going to press and hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then when we release this button, it's going to take us to the service screen here. Then I'm just going to arrow down until reset oil change is highlighted and then press OK. And then it's just asking if we want to reset it and then press OK again. And then as you can see there, the service interval was reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.